Shout out to Moonrise Kingdom. Shout out to the mini Lana Del Rey girl in Moonrise Kingdom. Shout out to normal size Lana Del Rey. Shout out to Local Business by Titus Andronicus. And shout out to guitars and yelling in general. Shout out to Father John Misty. Shout out to chest hair in the form of music. Shout out to the writers I appreciated this year. Richard Lawson, Kat Marnell, Sophie St. Thomas, George R.R. Martin. And shout out to Walt Whitman. Shout out to forcing people to watch Cabin in the Woods without telling them anything about it. Shout out to The Button. Shout out to Joss Whedon. Shout out to having a really well-deserved good year. Shout out to Homeland, Mandy Patinkin, Holla. Shout out to going to the beach after work, even for just a few minutes. Shout out to maintaining sanity. Shout out to realizing how good it feels to exercise. Shout out to realizing again how good it feels to not exercise. Shout out to 4 years of marriage. Shout out to my wife's butt. Shout out to 4 more years of Barack Obama. Shout out to Michelle Obama's butt. And Barack's butt too. Shout out to Frank Ocean. Shout out to refusing to be trapped in a hip-hop closet even if there's a lot of cool clothes in there and R. Kelly is there too. Shout out to people from the future trying to understand R. Kelly from a historical perspective. Shout out to the end of Newsweek. Shout out to the end of Twilight. Shout out to Kristen Stewart's yellow bra. Shout out to Coney 2012. Better luck in 2016, bro. Shout out to the bullied bus lady. Shout out to the Tupac hologram. Shout out to CNN's lack of holograms. Shout out to the IKEA monkey. Shout out to the restored monkey Jesus painting. Shout out to Jory coming back to the US of A. Shout out to the Uncultured Project. Shout out to 2012.
Alright. Tree. Stuck in the tree.
You did.
Shit. No, you're not throwing a rock out. Okay. Fuck you. All right, let me grab it.